Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Said Sajjad Jeris and today we are going to focus on part 1 of the IELTS speaking test. This part of the test is often called the introduction and interview and is an important opportunity to make a great first impression. We'll go over some essential tips and tricks to help you excel, so let's get started. Understanding Part 1. In Part 1 of the IELTS speaking test, the examiner will ask you questions about familiar topics such as your home, family, work, studies, and interest. This section lasts about 4 to 5 minutes and it's designed to assess your ability to communicate opinions and information on everyday topics. Tip number 1: be confident and relaxed. It's natural to feel nervous, but remember the examiner is not trying to trick you. They want to see how well you can speak English. Take a deep breath, smile, and treat it like a friendly conversation. Here is an example. Can you tell me about your hometown? Sure, I come from a small town called Springfield. It's known for its beautiful parks and friendly community. I love the peaceful atmosphere there. Tip 2: extend your answers. Don't just give one word or very short answers. Try to add more details to show your fluency and ability to elaborate on a topic. Here is an example. Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. I enjoy experimenting with different recipes and ingredients. It's a great way to relax and be creative. I particularly love making Italian dishes like pasta and pizza. Tip 3: use a range of vocabulary and grammar. This is your chance to show off your language skills. Try to use different tenses, descriptive words, and complex sentences where appropriate. Here is an example. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I enjoy a variety of activities. I often go hiking in the mountains because I love nature and it's a great way to stay fit. I also like reading books, especially science fiction novels. They allow me to escape into different worlds and stimulate my imagination. Tip 4: be honest and authentic. Don't try to memorize answers or lie about your experiences. The examiner can tell you when you are being genuine, and it's easier to talk about things you know well. Here is an example. Do you enjoy watching sports? To be honest, I am not really a big fan of watching sports. I prefer playing sports instead. I love playing basketball with my friends because it's fun and keeps me active. Tip 5: pay attention to pronunciation. Clear pronunciation helps the examiner understand you better and shows your ability to speak English naturally. Practice speaking slowly and clearly and work on any specific sounds or words you find challenging. Here is an example. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy listening to classical music. It's very soothing and helps me concentrate. I often listen to it while studying or reading. Use fillers naturally. It's okay to use fillers like well, you know, or let me see to give yourself a moment to think. Just make sure you don't overuse them. For example, what's your favorite food? Well, let me see. I think my favorite food is sushi. I love the fresh taste and the variety of flavors you can get in different rolls. And those are our top tips for part 1 of the IELTS speaking test. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and thank you for your support. Best of luck with your studies and we will see you in the next video.